Hello class 5th student, let's start our new story, Three Beautiful Persons. Here we teach about the value inner beauty, means inner beauty is more important than the outer beauty. A beautiful face can't replace a beautiful heart. We know this thing. Let's start one by one. Let's read about the beautiful person 1. Swati is my best friend. She is the most beautiful person in the whole world. That is because she knows how to make me laugh however sad I am. It means here a girl who is talk about her best friend and said that she is most beautiful in the world. Why? Because she know how in the adverse situation make her laugh. Means if she is feeling not good, she will be having some trouble and she will be sad, then even she will be sad, then her friend make her laugh. Swati is emotionally strong. Swati is emotionally strong means she not bothered at the instant. She get teased because she is one of the shortest student in our class. Means as we know that class having different type of students, some are short, some long, and some having average height, but the shortest student every class meanwhile teased by the student. So Swati is one of them. She is shortest in the class, but she doesn't let anyone irritate her. Means she not allowed it anyone to that they irritate her, or we can say that Swati doesn't mean about that thing that she is shortest. She just tells them what in her mind and then walk away. Means whenever anyone cracking joke about it shortness, then she just tell them that what is going on in her mind, what is in her mind. She don't irritate by their talks. She manage well as she is emotionally strong. Okay, so she just tell them what is going on in her mind and then go away. Once when two kids were mean to me, means the two kids are teasing or be selfish for her friend, then she stepped right up and scolded them. It means who is she here? Means Swati. Means when someone teased or someone bothered to the Swati's friend, then what the Swati is done with her friend? For her friend, that she stepped out, means hurt them with the leg put. Means by the put, the Swati hurt them and scolded them. And scolded means beaten, beaten them also. Then she said, means who she? Swati here. Then she said with a self-satisfied ear. Means self-satisfied means too pleased. You can say fully satisfaction, feeling more pleasure after beating them. Then she said, thank me later. Means Swati said to her friend that he could thank him later. No need of thanks here. Then she said, another time she was sent to the principal office for no reason. Means the second time, it's the first time which we discussed, and the second time what is done actually, she was sent to the principal office. Who one? Swati sent to the principal office, and without any reason, there will be no reason, no mistake of Swati. Then when she got there, she stood up for herself. Means when she got there will no one who protect us. She by self stand there and they work it out. Means and after resolving the issue, they work it out means resolve the issue. Any issue for which Swati goes to the principal office, but there will be no mistake done by the Swati. She walked away with a hurt ego. As there will be no mistake of the Swati, so Swati's ego get hurt. She getting hurt. Even then she walked away, but with an innocent heart. With an innocent heart. Innocent means a kind heart, we can say a kind heart. There will be no jealousy at all. She has a great sense of humor too. She has great sense of humor too, means she is too much funny and she make pupils laugh every time. She know how to laugh, how to make laugh to the pupils. Swati is the best friend one can have. Means everyone wants a friend like Swati. She is funny, strong, energetic and friendly. And here are some qualities of the Swati, that she is funny, strong, energetic, full of energy every time and friendly by the nature. So such type of pupils can consider as a beautiful person, as they are having short height also. We continue in the next part.